going to test this. Hey guys, this is children's vacuum cleaner. Ordered this from Temu, and to put this, what you need to do is first of all you need to put it inside. Okay, see it's in. So ideal. So you push this, okay, for you to remove it, and it's in. So ideally you need to open this, okay, so feed it in first, then push down for you to close it, and if you want to remove it, then you press here to remove the handle. Okay, now we're going to check. This is the screwdriver to open it up. So this you can charge, I believe you can charge this, okay, because we got USB to charge this up. And before you use this, is so they have the stickers here. You can see the stickers, Kid Star, and this is the screwdriver, and it will show you this is the information pack. Okay, so open up this section and you bring it out. This is the canister. Okay, push it inside. Now open this up. This is the screwdriver here. Open it up this way. Here we go. See the battery here. So it's rechargeable battery. Yeah, what you see here is rechargeable battery. I'm going to show you how to charge this vacuum cleaner. You switch it on and off from here, then you start it from here. Okay, so you select, this is music, so the power is this button here is for the power, then this is for music, this is music. Now this stuff, the handle, you just need to slide the handle in, and to remove the handle you need to press here to remove the handle. So press here, then gently bring it out. Okay, so something I noticed, if you put this inside first to put the handle, it will not go in properly. So the best thing to do is put it, okay, into the handle first. Okay, once it's into the handle, then you go in with the handle to go in and push it down, and once you slide it, it will slide in here. Okay. So this is just push it down, then to remove it just press here to remove the handle. Now other thing I want to show you is this uses rechargeable battery. So you open up this section, this is where the battery goes, and the screwdriver is included in the packaging, which is very handy. So you need to charge it up and put it into the charger. Okay, so open it up. This is the rechargeable battery, and I'm going to show you how to remove the battery. So bring it out. Okay, and now the next thing to do is you need to remove this end. So detach it. So to remove it, you need to press this together. Okay, press the battery together and remove it. And here we go. So this end come off. Okay, so this end now, you can see this end will be still inside, and this is, you can see the battery is no longer, so it's not working now. Now the next thing to do is we need to put this battery and put it inside here. Okay, put it, you can see it's in. Okay, and now this end we need to look for the head. Okay, so push it inside. This is the USB. Okay, and plug it onto the socket. Okay, you can see so the light is here. So once you plug it on, the light will be highlighting. Okay, so you can see the light is showing us light here. Okay, so the battery is charging, which is beautiful, and I believe once it's fully charged, okay, the green light blinks when they're charging. Okay, the green light blinks when charging. Okay, the green light blinks when charging and stays on when fully charged. Okay, you can see it's blinking. So when the green light stayed on, okay, it won't, then you know that it's fully charged, but that currently is charging and is blinking. Once it's fully charged, it will be a steady green light. So this is how to charge this up. You just need to get this end, and the beauty of this is so you see the light here from the lead, okay, from the charging lead, and you see the light that is charging and the green light is charging. So this is how to charge this up, and this is beautiful. I like the color, and it's nice. very light and it's economical and affordable. You can see what this looks like. So this is how to charge this up, and I'm very happy with it. I ordered this from Temu, and it works. So this is how to charge this up. Okay, beautiful stuff, nice. And I'm going to put a sticker. Okay, so you have Kid Star. So where do you want to put us? And put a sticker here. Okay, so this is the sticker that came with it, Kid Star. And this second, okay, we got another this. Okay, so now this one, we're going to put it. I don't want to put it where it will cover the. Okay, we'll put it here. I'm going to put the sticker here so that I can see straight. See what this is, beautiful stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to to show you how to charge this up. I'm going to remove it now. Okay, it's so just remove it, this end. Then the next thing to do is you bring the cable from here, okay, and put it back in. It's good because you don't need to keep buying batteries. So this one you just need to charge it up, and here we go. You can see, I'm just gonna switch this off first. Okay, so you just need to charge it up and put it, and it's in. Just then slide the cable inside. So gently slide the cable back inside it. Here we go. So you can see the cable is back inside. Okay, then gently close this. Okay, and cover it back up again. And then the next thing to do is cover it up and close it. So guys, I hope this makes sense and you like this. So this is beautiful stuff. Order this and let me check the price, how much I paid for this. It's very, so this stuff is £25.98. So this is really good and it's working. See what it looks like. So this is how to charge this up. Beautiful. We're going to test the suction quality.